Please drive forward.
Welcome to the IQ Express, the amazing new system from D&S Car Wash that gives you many of the benefits of a tunnel wash without the price tag or the demands on your resources. Jim Holder of Nashville, Tennessee has seen those results firsthand.
You see tunnels, conveyor tunnels coming up all the time. What I like about it is that it's not a conveyor. It's open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. There's no employees, but it gives you the quality of the tunnel, what we consider tunnels.
Start with the money you make. You can expect about a 20% revenue increase per car with the IQ Express. Part of that comes from providing more with an integrated system like no other.
Here we have the tire shine, which most in-bay automatics don't have. We've got the rinse arches and have dryers on the backside. So we have a full-blown tunnel, like a conveyor tunnel, but without employees. So yes, the price goes up because you're giving more quality and more things to the wash, more steps to the wash. So yes, every morning I get up and look at my credit cards and it blows my mind. Every day there's just money.
In addition to that, you're using less, thanks to a state-of-the-art system that measures every single car, then uses only what it needs to wash it.
What part do I love the best? This is it. It only washes what it sees. Absolutely amazing. It only washes what it sees.
The smartness saves me as an operator tons of money in water, chemicals, electricity, because it knows the exact size and width of the vehicle that's inside.
I want to estimate 75% less water than our other wash, and it's going to use a tremendous amount less chemicals. So it's going to save us quite a bit of money.
So your bottom line is increasing on every vehicle. What's next? Wash more cars faster. With the IQ Express, you can finish one car while getting started on the next, leading to an ability to wash 50% more cars in an hour compared to a standard automatic. The cars get washed in about a third less time, keeping those lines moving. You'll see fewer backups during peak times, too.
It has the wash cycle, it has the rinse cycle, it has the clear coat cycle, it has the tire and wheel shine, and then it has the dryer.
And since there's no conveyor, you have two advantages: fewer workers and a more inviting look for your customer.
We like the cleanliness of the bay. There's nothing on the floor. It's just an open bay. It's very inviting for the customer. It's not intimidating.
Maintaining the IQ Express is a snap. You have access to everything on your phone or laptop, and little is required of you, or if you have them, your workers.
Nothing at all. Pretty easy to change the soap too. Oh, it's awesome. I wish everything was like that. Oh my gosh, I wish everything was like that.
Then there is the experience, very similar to a tunnel wash.
It has all the flashing lights like people like. They just draws people in, the flashing lights and stuff.
Little kids love it. They love going through the car wash.
And an owner-operator will love everything that can be a part of the package, from the wash itself to the latest signage, state-of-the-art pay stations, and more. All from a company that's been a car wash industry innovator for decades.
Thank you.
Amazing. It's the smartest wash out today, no doubt.
It's all those benefits that just really make it a very smart and very efficient and owner-friendly machine. Come to Nashville. You're welcome to come here and look at this system. This is the system to go with. I feel that way.